Hey, I'm Katie with WTI, and this video is for all of the moms who get handed their kids stuff constantly. I am over it. I need my son to carry his own water bottle, stop drinking out of mine. So I got him this amazingly cool water bottle by Werewolves. There are so many different color options to choose from. My son is a big fan of lime green, so I did this kind of lime green and black ombre. He prefers to carry it around by this rope handle. You can just clip it into the sides. And then this is just the easy pour spout. There is another spout option though that is a straw option. It flips up and down. It also comes with a strap so that you can carry this water bottle around hands-free, which I think is perfect for the hiking trip that we have coming up this summer. He's going to be able to use his hands to climb the rocks and not have to worry about handing me a water bottle. It's also nice and durable. Bonus, it comes with one of those little straw cleaning tools, so this is not going to get nasty. We got our hands on this Werewolves water bottle, and we think you should too. But that's just our point of view.